Want to use Telegram on your computer without typing your number? I'll show you the fastest way to link your account with one scan. Works even if your phone's offline. Step 1. Open Telegram Web. Go to google.com, search Telegram Web. Click the official link, web.telegram.org. On your phone, open Telegram Tap Settings. Devices link Desktop Device. Point your camera at the QR code on your PC. Your PC refreshes instantly. All chats appear. Phone can now disconnect. Now you can type with a real keyboard. Smash that like button. For more privacy hacks, subscribe. I test all tricks so you don't have to.